Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Crafts. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how can you make this beautiful crochet dragonfly keychains. These are super duper easy to make. You can keep it on your daughter's or son's birthday for a giveaways or party favors or whatever. All you will need is a 4-ply crochet yarn, or if you wanted to make a smaller size, go for the 3-ply. I'm taking these, you will need these keychain rings, jump ring, some beads. I'm using a size 3.75 millimeter crochet hook. If you wanted to make a larger version, go for the plus sizes of the crochet hooks. And if you wanted to make a smaller version, go for the minus sizes like 1.5, 2.52, whatever. You will need one tapestry needle. I have attached the yarn to it. Now let's get started with this project. Okay, so to start, I'm going to make a knot and attach it to my crochet hook. If you don't know basic crochet stitches, kindly learn those first so it will be easy for you to understand this pattern. Now first, for the top wing, which is the big wing right here, we are going to do 20 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. After making 20 chains, we are going to work 2 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So it's 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Into the 4th chain, do 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. In the next 7 chains, work 1 double crochet in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now into your 8th chain, work 1 single crochet. After doing 1 single crochet, you are going to do again 1 double crochet in next 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now we have a last remaining chain. In this chain, you're going to work 5 double crochets. So yarn over and do 5 double crochet into your last chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now again, we have to repeat exactly what we did right here. So it's going to be 7 double crochets, 1 single crochet, and 7 double crochet. So there is your first double crochet right here. Insert your hook in and keep your yarn so you can work over the tail as well. And now you're going to do exactly same 7 double crochet, 1 single crochet, and 7 double crochet. So I'm going to complete this and I'm going to tell you what you have to do at the end. Okay, so I'm done with this. 7 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 7 double crochet. Now at the end, when you reach back to the starting point, Remember, we have did 2 double crochet over here. We are going to do 2 more double crochets into the center again. And we skipped the 3 chains from the start, so this total will count as a 5 double crochet. So count your chains from here, 1, 2, and 3. Sorry, it's 1, 2, and 3. Into the third chain you're going to do is a slip stitch to join. And chain 1, and we are going to cut the yarn, and the big wing is ready. And at the back we worked over the tail, so you can go ahead and cut it. You're going to sew this tail later, and now we are going to start working with the smaller wing, the smaller one. The pattern is going to be the same, but the chains are going to be a little less, which are going to be 16 chains. So make a loop again, and now we are going to do 16 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 chains. After making 16 chains, yarn over and do 2 double crochet into the fourth chain. 1, 2, 3, and into the fourth one do 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. And now work 1 double crochet in next 5 chains. So work 1 double crochet in next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After working 5 of these into the next one, we are going to do 1 single crochet. And now into the next 5, work again 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now this is what your works will looks like, and now at the end we are going to do 5 double crochet into your last chain. So yarn over and do 5 double crochets into your last chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After making this, again you have to repeat the same, which is going to be 5 double crochet next 5 stitches, and then single crochet, then 5 into the next 5. And at the last I'm going to teach you what you have to do next. So till I am doing 1 double crochet in the each we have made in the last round. So keep doing this. 5 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 5 double crochet, and then I'm going to teach you what you have to do at the end. So I'm done with my 5 double crochet, single crochet, and 5 double crochet. Now at the end we are going to do exactly we did in the larger one, which is 2 double crochet, and then you're going to give a slip stitch into your third stitch. So 1, 2, and 3. At the top of your third chain, give a slip stitch. So actually we skipped the 3 chains, will be counted as your first double crochet in starting. Fasten off the yarn and then sew these tails. So I have already made these pieces for it. So sew the tails, and you will need your yarn needle and a thread and your beads. So I'm going to take 10 mm beads. I'm taking 2 of these 8 mm, sorry, 3 of these 8 mm, and one is going to be 6 mm bead. And make sure these beads have a nice large hole so it will be easy for you to get it done. Now add in your beads first into this yarn and leave a tail like that. Leave almost about 4 to 5 inches of a tail right here. And then you're going to take your piece, first piece, you're going to bend from the center where we did a single crochet and pass your yarn through like that and hold. And then you're going to take your larger piece and fold again, and into the center where your single crochet is, you're going to press and pass. Okay, and now we're going to again pass it through this point right here. So I'm going to going from the back, this will give, squish the work together. You have to make sure they're squished from the center. Then again I'm going back towards the up. See, ta-da! And now you're going to add the larger 10 mm bead and then the 6 mm bead into it. And then you're going to take you can attach it directly to your ring, but I will prefer jumping it. It will give a little bit, it can bounce, it can move easily. But if you're going to add it direct thread into your keychain ring, it will get a little bit of, it will not shake. I hope you understand what I am up to. Anyways, I'm going to pass the yarn through this ring right here. And again, we're going to pass this through the beads. That's why I told you to get the beads which has a nice big eyes. And pass through the next bead, and again through this center part of your fly right there. And then you're going to pass your yarn through these beads as well. I found it simple and easy to attach this yarn in one go, then attaching in different faces and parts. And now what we're going to do, remove your needle, and you're going to make a knot right here under this bead. And keep it as close as possible to your bead, like that. And now you're going to cut the tail as long as you want it to. I think this is fine length for me, around like 1 inch. And then you're going to take your plier, any jewelry plier, open your jump ring, and then add it to your chain, add it to your keychain ring, and you're going to close, and ta-da! The dragonfly keychain is ready. Super simple and easy. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment me on the comment box down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, everyone. If you have any request, you can go ahead and comment. Take care. Bye bye.